All right, welcome to the unboxing video of the long-awaited DJI FPV combo. And this is actually a legitimate unboxing video. This box has never been opened. I didn't open it up and then close it back up again. So yeah, it's my first time seeing it. So let's get started. And obviously you guys know how good DJI's packaging is, so we don't need to talk much about that. I am so excited about this drone because the maximum speed on this drone is, I looked up 86 point something miles per hour. Some people say 90 miles an hour, but that is really awesome for shooting action stuff. The lens on this is 150 degree field of view, so when you're getting really, you know, those action footage, it looks super fast motion. 0 to 60 miles an hour in 2 seconds. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. All right, so how do we open this thing up? By the way, I'm Steve from 3 Gates Films, and you may have seen our footage before. We've filmed aerials for Fox Sports commercials back before drones were even a thing. We put Blackmagic cinema cameras on gigantic 800 size RC helicopter rigs and flew for Fox Sports, and I shot for feature films and TV commercials and PBS national television show. All right, here we go. Enough about that. I was just kind of talking while I get this box open. So, all right. So, I think it's upside down. Is it upside down? I think so. There we go. Oh, isn't that cool? So we have the FPV goggles. The antennas aren't on at the moment. You see the 4 antennas sticking out. And on the top here, there's some buttons which we will figure out what we're gonna do. And by the way, we're gonna be doing a complete review on this product here. We ordered it 2 days ago, which was like 30 minutes after it was listed for sale at DJI, and we bought it immediately. And so we just got it, and so we're gonna do a complete review, flying, chasing mountain bikers, and just doing a complete review on it. We also got the hand control, the motion controller, so that we can test that and see how that works too. But so we have the goggles here, and which we're gonna, I read that the resolution is 810p. We'll see how that looks. We'll probably even stick a camera inside there on the next video to show how detailed the resolution is. So the build quality feels really, really nice and solid. Any of you who've had to search for and purchase stock footage, you know how expensive it can be. Sometimes between $40 and $300 for one clip. Well, for those who watch this video, 3 Gates Films is providing a totally bonkers deal. You can download a growing library of extremely high quality footage that you can have the entire library using the code DJI Video. So get around 300 4K and HD clips. Some of these clips have sold individually on other sites for over $500 on various sites like Adobe, Shutterstock, and Getty. But through this video, you can get the entire library at an extreme discount. Normally, this library is $249 on 3gatesfilms.com, but using the code DJI Video, 3 Gates Films is giving away the whole library for just $79. There's lifestyle clips, city pack clips, sports, aerials, time lapses. There's 2 free collections of clips and also light leaks. Everything is shot on high-end cameras, Red, Sony, Inspire Pro RAW, and Mavic Pro 2 drones. But this is only available for a short period of time through this video, then the promo goes away. Oh, and by the way, not only does your download link never expire, when you check on your download link every so often, you'll find brand new footage put there just for you to download in a folder called New Clips. The website's right here at the bottom of the screen. Just navigate to Explore Clip Packs and go to the Clip Packs bundle. Or the direct link is in the description right below here. So go do that, check that out, and then come right back to the rest of this video. So we got the drone here. That's pretty tiny. You can compare it here with the size of the Mavic Pro 2 and of course the Inspire, which is considerably bigger, Inspire Pro RAW. So the battery goes in the back here. I'm not sure how to get the battery out. We'll figure that out in a minute. But, maybe it's, there we go. Just pull it out like that. As far as weight is concerned, yeah, it's a little bit lighter than the Mavic Pro 2. Not a ton lighter. Let's see. Let's just put that here. And then we got styrofoam in here, and then here's the, okay, we have the controller here. I guess this is the antenna that transmits the signal, receives the signal from the drone and sends it up to the FPV goggles. We have the start and stop button right here. We have a return to home button right there. And where is the, I guess this pause button may be also the it stops and hovers. There's kind of an emergency stop and hover button. I think that's what this is right here. We will figure that out as we do the product review video. The mode buttons right here, M, N, S, and M right here. And then a power button here, and then a C1 button right there. And the tilting for the camera is right here. Okay? And the blades, the blades on the Mavic Pro 2 were foldable blades, but these are solid blades. They are not foldable. They're hard plastic, and they're considerably smaller than the blades on the Mavic Pro 2. Now, how many does it come with? So I got, this box has 4 blades with red tips, and this box, let's see what it has, also has 4 blades with red tips. Not sure if there's a difference in the blades. You know how on the Mavic Pro 2, 2 of the blades are reversed. So we'll have to figure that out. See what else is in the box here. So we got the blades, we got the drone, we got the FPV goggles, we got the controller, and there's 2 other boxes in here. Let's see, what is this? This is the goggles battery and the AC power adapter. Pop that open if we can. Okay, so here is the battery for the goggles here. Alright, rip it open. Here's the goggles battery. So the battery for the goggles, I don't think it doesn't actually install into the goggles itself. I think it's something you put in your pocket and run a USB-C cable from here to the USB-C input on the bottom of the goggles here. That's my guess. I haven't confirmed that yet. Of course, these things don't come with manuals you can read. You got to go online for all that stuff. So what else we got in here? So we got the battery for that, battery for the goggles, and we have, what is this? I think this is a strap, likely for the goggles. Yeah, strap. Yeah, strap for the goggles. Okay, here's the cables. We've got a USB to USB-C cable for charging, the goggles battery, and the charger inside here for charging up the battery for the drone itself, and the USB ports, 2 USB ports on here for charging up the battery for the goggles, and probably also charging the controller as well. A lot of stuff in here. Now what is this? Something green. Looks like a hat for the drone, I guess. So it's more, yeah, these screws can come off here on the side and screw this on to the front and the side. So your drone can be green. Oh, so cool, neon green, so you can see it a lot easier. That's kind of neat. The camera on this thing, I gotta be careful taking this off here. There we go. Camera on here is really cool looking, super tiny. It's not on a, you know the gimbals on the Mavic 2 Pro and others. It's a rotating gimbal. I think this one does not do that. It appears that it's only a tilt axis, and perhaps the stabilization is done through software, much like the stabilization on a GoPro 360 camera would operate. So it's done with software, I think. So there's a ton of cables that come in here, and they're all for various charging and stuff. So this is the USB-C to 12 volt input. Not sure what that's for. We will figure all this out. as we do the product review. Also, we got power cables, more power cables, and more, just a bunch of adapters. You know how DJI stuff always comes with little adapters, you know, USB-C to USB adapters, and here's the little sticks to go on the controller. So that looks like is about what's in there. And I also got the motion controller, because I know that people would really want to know what this thing's like and how that operates versus using a normal stick. So let's see what's inside this box here real quick. Turn this off here. DJI Motion Controller. This is what really seemed cool to me, to be able to control the drone with just your hand motion going side to side. I don't really know how you would fly backwards since it's a trigger, but we will soon learn. Let's see what we got here. Okay. There's a trigger. So it's got the trigger, which says acceleration on it, ACCEL, so that's acceleration. And then the big button on the back, which is brake. And then it has a red button, which is lock. And then tilt. I guess, so the tilt toggle on the left side is for tilting the camera up and down. And there's a record button on the side, as well as, I think you can change modes. You know, it has the M mode, which is like the unlimited flying mode, where you can, you know, go vertical or inverted. So I think that has that mode on here too, where you can go into that mode, toggle that on or off. That's my guess. And it comes with a charger inside to, that's not a charger. What kind of battery does this thing take? Oh, it's got USB, apparently internal battery, so it's a USB port, USB-C port on here for charging. So that's about it as far as what's in the box. You know how DJI's packaging is always really super high quality, and this is no different. So make sure you subscribe to this video, and also like, because we're gonna do the complete review on this. Take footage, compare footage, and to see how it flies, learn how to fly this thing, chase my son who's a mountain biker down a hill going 30+ miles an hour, and see how we can follow him on that drone. My son is shaking his head, no, we're not gonna do that. Yes, we are gonna do that. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you really soon for the review video.